So I'm working on my headliner, which you can see the dirt in here, which is from an inflatable boat that I was using as a rescue boat for my RC boat out in the lake. And when I shoved the inflatable boat back in the vehicle, you know, the boat was squeezed in here and it was resting up against the headliner and it made it kind of filthy. So I thought, well, what am I gonna do to clean this? Well, I've tried this stuff. So we're gonna give it a light spray here. I'm gonna sit for a minute. This side here I've already cleaned. That's how good it works. So anyways, look here. As I blot this up, you don't want to rub these headliners. You're just gonna make it look worn and tattered. See the dirt that's blowing off. Gotta like that stuff. Look how good it works.